Hi guys, Jamie Humphries here again, and in this lesson we are looking at the mighty Love Gun by Kiss. We're going to kick things off by taking a look at the introduction, so I'm going to play that through for you first of all. Okay, so the introduction starts off with this triplet strumming, down, up, down, up. So we're going. So we're holding an E5 power chord. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. That's the rhythm that you're going to be strumming. Then we play the E5 again, G5, A5, G5, D5, C5, and then we're sliding into an E5 from the D5, back down to the D5, but you don't have to do that slide, we can just play. And then we just repeat.